Hey guys, welcome to our first video for 9.3 homework help. So the first problem we're going to do is 5, and then we'll do 9, 17, and 19. So number 5 says use grid paper to find the median of the data. You actually don't have to use grid paper, you can just use any paper. The reason some people say use grid paper is it's a little bit easier to see the middle number in a set of boxes than it is to just see them laid out. So the first step to finding the median of anything is to order the numbers from least to greatest. So we have 0, no ones, then 2, and 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 9s. So then if I work my way from the outside in by covering up one number each, so we go 1 in, 1 in, 1 in, 1 in. So we see that we actually have two middle numbers. We have 5 and 6. So in order to find the median, we have to find the number that's between 5 and 6, which you might recognize as 5.5. But if you don't recognize that, you can find the average of these two numbers by adding them together and dividing by 2. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. All right, next is number 9. So again, we're going to find the median of this data. So the first thing we need to do is order it from least to greatest. So we have 71, then 81, and 89, then 92, 93, 2 94s, and 99. So again, we're going to work our way from the outside in by moving in one space at a time. And again, we see that we have two middle numbers, so we have to find the average of these two. So 92 plus 93 divided by 2, but you also might realize that 92 and 93, halfway between those is 92.5. Okay, and then find the modes. So the mode means the most. So we're looking for any numbers that repeat themselves the most, and we have 94 that repeats itself once, which means that that is the mode. All right, then we have number 17. We need to find the mean, median, and mode of the data. Do not round. So for the mean, all you do is add up all the numbers and divide by how many there are. So we are going to do 48 plus 12 plus 11 plus 45 plus 48 plus 43 plus 32. Then we will divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we get 29.88. All right, so for the median, we need to order the numbers from least to greatest. 11, 12, 32, 43, 45, and then 3 48s. Okay, so working our way from the outside in, we move in, we move in. So we need to figure out what number is between 43 and 45, and that ends up being 44. And then the mode is the number that repeats itself the most, and that is 48. And then the second part of this question says, choose the measure that best represents the data. Explain your reasoning. So the mean is the best because it is less than the data values in the 40s. The median is the best because it is the close to most of the data. And the mode is the best because it is the greatest value. Our median, if you noticed, is in the middle of all the data. So if we were to put these three numbers on a number line, the median would be in the middle, which means that it's the best measure of center. Okay. And then finally, number 19, the mean. So we're going to add them all up and divide by how many there are. So 2 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 56 plus 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4. and divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we get 12. The median, we need to order the numbers from least to greatest. So we are going to do 2, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 56. Okay, then working our way from the outside in to find the median, we end up having one middle number, which is 8. And then the mode is the number that repeats itself the most, which is 2. So again, the median is going to be the best because 8 is between 12 and 2. So that is the best measure of center. All right, let me know if you have any other questions and I'm happy to make another video. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye.